Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. This one is really different and exciting to share. If you've ever bought a car before and you went online to look for cars, compare prices, and you got deep into that research, this might be just the perfect opportunity for you. Now, this is going to be for my United States folks only, but they are hiring anywhere in the United States. They don't have any state restrictions. Of course, as always, if you're interested in applying, the links to this page are always in the YouTube description box below. Today's job lead is from the company Elite. Now, Elite is in the industry of property and casualty insurance. Now, what that means is when someone wrecks a car and it's a total loss, your insurance has to pay you out the going rate for that car. And how do they know what the going rate for that car is so that they can pay that out? That is where you come in. They are hiring a vehicle researcher. Now, this is remote. So what you'll be doing is being a market research analyst, assisting in vehicle insurance claims settlement process. And the way you do that is you are going to be working with insurance adjusters. So you're not actually going to be an insurance adjuster, but you're going to kind of be their right-hand person. You are going to use third-party websites to research the value of cars and vehicles and give them an unbiased, fair market value for a vehicle that has been wrecked and deemed a total loss. So again, they know what to pay out. You'll use a variety of resources to do the research on the lost vehicle. Your reports will be completed by finding comparable vehicles for sale that match the lost vehicle as closely as possible. So you're doing research on the make, model, year, color, whether it was loaded with sunroof, leather interior, all of those different things. You're trying to find vehicles that are just like that and find what the going rate of them are. Now, this may occasionally require a little bit of phone work. You may have to pick up the phone and make outbound calls to car dealers and get an estimate for a vehicle. Not all dealerships put their prices online. That is one downfall, but I don't know how often you'll have to make those outbound phone calls. Now, a good note about this is that they don't require any kind of a college degree or even a car industry experience. Of course, knowledge in insurance and automotive industry is a plus, but it's not required. They're looking for someone who's a high school diploma, can type at least 35 words a minute, has great math skills, and can analyze information, has strong attention to detail, and the ability to research information using web-based tools. So going beyond Google, can you go deep into the web and find the answers you're looking for? Now, of course, pay is always dependent on location and experience, but the pay for this position is anywhere from $14.29 an hour all the way up to $18 an hour. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package, including health insurance, vision, dental, 401k, paid time off, all the things. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I am always reading those and keeping an eye out. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.